Hey guys. Hey, who's here?
Devin.
Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Oh, they can see you. Step back here.
Let's take a picture.
We're gonna take a picture when we're done, okay? We're talking now, all right?
Good morning.
Okay, so today we're doing on the second day of Christmas. My true love gives to me. You know the words? I don't know. So today we're gonna do, I think, our letter to Santa. We're gonna do our gingerbread house, and my tree is pretty much done. But you know, like when you run to the store and you just see something, I realize I don't have any candy canes. I don't normally do candy canes, but since my tree it's red and white, I'm gonna do candy canes. So this reminds me, next year I want to do like a whole red and white peppermint tree. So I'm gonna see how that goes. So I'm gonna just hang some around here. And I'm one of those people, you can't see the back. I would put all my decorations like to the front. And the back of our tree is like naked. But this year I put some in the back. It's not that bad. Yeah, hang some up for me. Mighty man. Yeah. No, don't eat it. Hang it up on the tree. Put it somewhere. Go ahead. You can eat it later. I'll eat one out.
I want to do it.
Yeah. Hang them up. There you go. Hang them up on the tree. It's pretty early. We just came from doing our regular. Here you go. We did some grocery shopping. Yes, we're gonna open that one. I didn't buy a lot. I only bought 2 boxes because most of these they go stale. When I was young, I used to eat all my candy canes, but you want to help?
Yes.
How many
I don't
do you
need
want?
help.
Oh, you don't need help. How many do you want?
1, 2, and 3.
Alright, let's finish hanging these up. So I just bought them just to add, only because they were red and white, and they were $1. We just did some grocery shopping. Put it where you can reach. Okay, let me take it. Okay. Wait, we have some right there. Put it right there. You got it?
Yeah.
You open it with it. Okay, good. And then
More.
put some over there. Where outside? I don't know, right here. And then I noticed I didn't have a skirt for my tree. When I tried to buy them before, they were like $14, $10. I'm cheap. Alright, I don't want to say I'm cheap. I'm just kind of wise with my money. So in a dollar store, I found the red one. I wanted to get a white one because I noticed my trees always have white. All done? It looks amazing. Thank you, big boy. High five. Good. So I want like a little cheap skirt.
Do it higher.
Higher?
Yeah.
Come on, hurry up.
No, do it.
You gonna jump that high?
Yeah.
Okay, come in the camera so they can see you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. Oh, you almost got it. You almost got it. You almost got it. So can I finish telling them what this
Do it
is?
my hand.
Okay. Boom, get it. Good job.
I did it!
So I normally use
I need a heart.
white in all my trees.
And
So I
I
tried to find a white one. I didn't. So I bought this for $4.99.
I need to do it first.
What is it? What is it?
A doggy.
It doesn't look like a dog. So I'm gonna put this at the bottom of my tree. We're gonna come back. We're gonna write our letter to Santa, and we're gonna do our gingerbread house. And this is our second day of Christmas. Our second day of Christmas. Say be back. Say we'll be back. Come here. Come. Say we'll be back.
We'll be back.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Hi.
You know what you're doing today?
We just doing coloring.
Okay, we're gonna do a little coloring. So we're gonna write a letter to Santa Claus. Did you tell Santa Claus what you wanted for Christmas yet?
Yeah.
What did you tell him?
I tell him
What did you want?
I got a sleepy from Santa Claus.
You got what from Santa Claus?
I got a sleepy from Santa
A secret?
Yes.
What's the secret?
I got him a cookie and a candy.
You got him cookies and candy. Did
Yeah.
you tell him what gifts you wanted? What presents?
Yeah.
What did you tell him?
I like red and yellow and blue.
That's the colors, but what toys do you want?
I like all the colors.
But what toys do you want Santa
I
to
like
bring
all.
you? You want all toys?
Yes, you can't make a mess. It's one to make a mess on the floor and in the phone.
Okay, so when we write this letter to Santa, what are we gonna tell him we want?
He's doing homework and he's drinking.
He's doing homework and he's drinking.
And he's drinking orange and juice.
Okay.
And milk and water and soda.
He's drinking all of that together?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nasty. He's gonna get a tummy ache.
No, it's good.
It's good? Okay, so I don't know. I don't know what to put in this letter. I don't know what to put in the letter if you don't want anything. You want to say dear Santa, I want everything?
I'm just writing the name.
Okay, let's just write dear Santa and we'll figure the rest out. All right? So that's right, dear.
Dear.
That's what does d sound like?
D.
Good. So write D.
Down.
Good.
Here.
Okay. I can't sound out the rest of this.
I need a hold.
Okay, so just make it E.
Make it E.
Uh-huh. That is a big letter to Santa Claus. A.
A. How about we E-O-N-A?
That's your name. We don't. Okay, we gotta write it to Santa. We're not spelling Devin. A. R.
I make a little.
That's good. Make R.
That's bigger.
That's good. Make a R. Okay, good. Santa. I don't know what's.
I want to hold it.
You are. So Santa. What does Santa start with? What letter? S. No. How do you say S and S? Maybe. What does it sound like? That sounds like C. That's just right. S. 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 It starts with Santa.
What's
Santa starts with S. You know what an S is. Okay, you can't write that big.
Make it
little. Yes, make a S.
I like bigger.
I know. That's right. S. All the time. All the time.
Ah!
Right,
I don't need
S. Then write the S right here under the D. S. A.
No, like a S is down.
I said an A. Why are you writing it?
Like that.
This is gonna take forever because you're not even gonna pay attention to half of the things.
Like
I'm saying.
that is the A.
Make it A. Make it A.
That's the same one.
I know these are words. Make a S. Okay, make it A. N.
Like the same one.
N. T. A. Okay, so we got the Dear Santa out the way.
I'm just doing my
Let's show them what you did. This is not homework. Okay, Dear Santa.
Let me try.
We're not gonna write.
Let me try it myself.
Okay, that's
Dear
fine.
Santa.
All right, tell him what you want. Dear Santa,
Dear Santa.
can you buy me?
Buy me
Can you? Can you buy me?
buy me
What? What do you want? A bike? You want a dog? You want toys? What do you want? Tell them what you want.
I like all.
You want everything?
Yes.
I don't think you can get everything. I don't think you can give everything. Oh, Jesus. So you want me to tell Santa Claus that you want everything? You want everything in what color?
Red, I like rainbows.
You like rainbows?
Yeah.
This is funny. So, I don't know.
Mommy, what color?
I don't know.
You like red,
My favorite
black.
color? You remember my favorite color. What's Mommy's favorite color?
rainbow. How about black?
Sometimes.
How about blue?
Yeah, that's Mommy's favorite color, blue.
And you like pink?
I love pink.
How about purple?
I do like purple.
How about red?
I do like red.
How about gray?
Gray is cool.
How about yellow?
I do like yellow.
And how about rainbows?
I don't like rainbows together. It's too colorful. But I do like rainbows.
You like rainbows? Are
Yeah.
you sure?
I am sure. Is there anything you want to tell them before we start this gingerbread house?
sweep it for you.
You got a secret for me?
Yeah.
Tell me. Really?
Yeah.
And what else?
I got you a big candy.
You got me a big candy.
And a little one.
And a little one. So